Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Ramirez again. I'm here today to give you another sweet dessert. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Today I will be making the icebox cake. No bake. Guess what? You can do it by yourself or you can have your parents help you, especially in the prep time. We're going to be using strawberries today. I've already washed my strawberries. I've already decapped some of them and sliced some of them up. But I left a few to show you how it's done. You pick up your strawberry. I have gloves on to protect me from putting my germs on the strawberries. I take a knife. Get your parents' permission to use knives if they're not going to help you. And I cut the tops off. Simple as that. I pre-washed my strawberries already, so therefore there's no dirt and grime on the strawberries. I like using fresh strawberries from the garden, but I brought these from Food Line. And this time of year, they may not be very sweet. So pick and choose your time to purchase your strawberries. Okay, I've decapped all of those. Now, as I said before, I slice them up in small slices. And this is called a no-bake icebox cake. It doesn't take long to make it. The hardest part is decapping the strawberries and cutting them up. In this icebox cake, I will be using graham crackers and whipped topping. It's really simple to do. It takes no more than 20 minutes. And since I have some of these cut up already, I'm just going to set these few that I have here over to the side. Now the task begins. I have a glass Pyrex plate. I have my Cool Whip topping. And you want it kind of soft a little bit so it will be easy to spread. But I stir it up to make sure that I can spread it, because the first layer will be the Cool Whip. Spread it evenly over your pan. Great. Ugh. Some of us are lactose intolerant and can't have Cool Whip. But for those that can, you will enjoy this. Now I layer my graham crackers on top of the Cool Whip. Perfect. Then I'll put another layer of Cool Whip over those graham crackers. I use a rubber spatula because it's easier to spread with. Some people add vanilla flavoring to their Cool Whip to give it that extra oomph. I chose not to this time. So now I will spread some strawberries that I have diced up. Another layer of graham crackers. Top those crackers with your Cool Whip. You can judge for yourself how much Cool Whip you want to use. You can use a lot, or you can use a lot less than I'm using. And for my final topping, strawberries. Always end with strawberries or whatever fruit you decide to use on the top. Now, doesn't that look yummy? Get ready to enjoy. I will set this in the refrigerator, let it set for about 3 hours, and then eating time. All right, it's time for everybody to participate. Are you ready? Let's go. Mmm. Hi, Mr. Jerome.
How you doing, Miss Catherine?
Welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Let's see what you got going on here.
Mrs. Waller?
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great.
Let's taste this. It looks yummy. I like strawberries. It's good too. It's real good.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Students, I hope you get a chance to make this icebox cake for your enjoyment as well as your family. Spend time together. See you at the wrap program.